Hi everyone, I'm here to do a collective haul. Not really, but it's actually something from my wish list. So if you guys didn't watch my 2019 luxury wish list video, I'll link it above and below. Hi, come here, you want to say hi? Come here. Come here, say hi. Say hi. You have lipstick on you. You got lipstick on you. Yeah. Hi. Say bye-bye. Okay, go play. So I picked up a few items at Sephora today, and I'm just gonna show it to you. So one being what I am wearing right now, which is the Fenty Beauty Madame lipstick. So I got the Sephora lip liner in Deep Aubergine to line it, and then I'm gonna actually try out this new foundation, and I'm gonna do a wear test for you guys. It's the Hourglass Vanish Seamless Liquid Foundation, and I usually really like Hourglass. I love their Immaculate line, but it just really dried. It just looked really dry on my skin when it was finishing, like drying up. So I'm gonna try this. Hopefully it works out better for me. And then I got another thing in the mail I wanted to try out. And if you guys watch Shark Tank like I do, you would know that Lori invested in this company, which is the Sleep Styler. I wanted to try it out, see if it would actually work for me. And I got the mini size because, as you can tell, I have really short hair. So this is how it looks. And it's just supposed to seal your hair, and then you can sleep. My big reveal, I have actually already, my husband actually already unboxed it for me earlier because he wanted to make sure that it's the right package. It came in this Fashionphile box, and it is from Fashionphile. It came in a Fashionphile dust bag, the thank you card, the envelope with your receipt, as well as a nail file. And it says Fashionphile, and I like my money where I can see it, hanging in my closet, which makes sense. And then it came wrapped in this tissue. It's with the sticker. Used is the new to reveal. Are you guys ready? Dun, da, da, da. And this is the Gucci Mini Sylvie. Oh, it's so beautiful. You guys can hear my son. He's playing around. But yes, it is in the black leather, red and green webbing with the ribbon and the gold chain hardware. And it is absolutely stunning. It does have a few wears on it, and that is why I paid $995 for it, and it retails originally for $2,250 at the Gucci website. So let me get up close. There is some scratching on the leather. The corners are fine. The bottom is sunken in. There's this piping wear right here, and this closure isn't as strong anymore, I feel like. So as you can tell, like, so easy to just drop. Anyways, you open it up, there is a few scratches on the interior, and it is a micro suede lining. Super soft. It's a little dirty, but that's fine. And then when you open it, you can see that in between these chain interlockings right here, it is dirty. So there's either lint or whatever that is. It just needs to be cleaned. But yeah, overall, it's a super beautiful bag. The style is very classy, it's very chic, and it's very Gucci. No other way to describe it, but yeah, I love it. So I will show you guys some mod shots so you can see. I'm gonna try to put this in here. I'm not wearing any shoes, but I am 5'4" for height reference. So here's the bag. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks guys. Bye.